Good afternoon. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Sunday, April 5th. Rally continued again this week. We are now going on a month of just a slow move, nicely higher. On Thursday, we had a golden cross yet again on the Dow 15-minute chart, and as you can see, yet again, we've got about 300 points upside on that. Support right now lies around 77.50. If we actually flip to the daily chart, you can see it simmer, the 7750 area is current support. Caution area is 7600. If we lose the 20-day exponential on the Dow, right now that's at 7590, but it'll be 7600 come Monday. Then we go back into a highly cautious stance because we could see a pullback to 7200, but still, we're in our uptrend. Next target is the 8400 level on the Dow. Last 500 or 600 points on the Dow, volume has been continuing to drop, so that's a small concern. But as I've said repeatedly over the last couple of weeks, bear market rallies are vicious to the upside. Most traders sit on the sidelines watching and not believing, and therefore the volume is typically low. So using volume as a metric to the sustainability of the rally is kind of fool's folly, at least in a bear market. We're starting to see the TV morons now start to turn bullish, like Kramer and the fast money morons and all those other clowns who come on at the opposite time of when you should actually be buying, and they're starting to flip bullish, which is what we would expect right now at this stage in the rally. Everyone's missed this big move up. Now they're starting to get afraid that they're going to miss, and now we're starting to see the stupid money come into the market, for lack of a better word. And the stupid money could take us to 8,300 or higher in the next few days. So we're banking on the stupid money coming in right now. We're staying away from the stocks that are up big. We're pretty much out of the financials. We're playing the laggard stock and the chart breakout stocks. Right now, chart plays are working fantastic. Laggard stocks are just taking off, which is why we're focusing on that area. SMH hit 20 on Friday. As I mentioned back down here last month at 16, we were looking for the third triangle breakout and a move to 21. So far, we're up 25%. One positive here, at least volume starting to pick up on the SMH. But for now, support 20-day exponential 1860 on the SMH. On a retrace, I would not be looking to add until we get a dip back to the 50-day moving average around 1750. So just continue to ride our core shares that we have from down here in the 16s. HUI gold bugs, gold down quite a bit over the last couple of sessions. We got a golden cross on Friday. And if you will recall, as I've said many times, whenever we get a golden cross, we almost always see a sell-off on the cross. So would be hoping and looking for the gold stocks to sell off a little bit more Monday and Tuesday. And we might start going shopping because this golden cross formation, the last time we saw it on the HUI, gold doubled within 6 months. So US dollar, we've got a head and shoulders formation here. I don't really like the oil chart, but oil is the play on the dollar drop, and it looks like the dollar is going to break down from a head and shoulders formation again. The last breakdown we had here on the dollar on the head and shoulders, we had a, 15% drop. We could see the same here. So this is telling us oil plays are not over yet. And well, actually, let me look at a couple of oil plays. CPE, this is a new oil play mentioned in the chat room on Friday. Small nibble. It's up big over the last couple of days, but this is the kind of chart that can just keep running. As you can see back in December, this stock went up 400% in a week. Right now, we had a breakout of a 1 month channel. We hit the 50-day moving average on Friday, so a little nibble play. Ideally, I'd like us to load this one in the 120s, but that may not come. So small nibble play. If we get a break over 150 on Monday, this one pretty much has no resistance until $2. Chart looks great. RSI is broken 50. ADX looks strong. Stochastics looks strong. So this oil play is looking solid near term. TXCO. This was another oil play. I sent out an alert on Friday around 48 cents. Breakout is 58 cents. We should see this one take off early this week. First target 75 cents, and then the 50-day moving average at 107. RSI is starting to move up. We've got volume starting to come in here. On balance, volume looks great. Stochastics in a nice uptrend. This is a gold stock or an oil stock that can go 50% this week, in my opinion. Would add any dips under 50 cents. Would a stop at Friday's low. BEE, Strategic Hotel and Resorts. We got our breakout on Friday. This is another play similar to UFI and WNC that just took off from this area and didn't look back. First target here is a move to the 50-day exponential. Right now, that's at 98 cents. So we're looking for a 33% move, and I think it goes early this week. RSI is about to break 50. ADX is nice and strong. Stochastics are up through 50. Very strong support in the 70-cent area, and this one should be a very big winner for us this week. DSTI, nice consolidation over the last couple of days. This one should go big this week. We've got a 1 month consolidation here, just like we had back in December, and then the stock went up, 200%. Right now, we're just looking at least for a move to the 50-day moving average at 146, and then 170 is our secondary target. HILL, Cash Rich Tech Stock. We got our breakout on Friday, but we had a short come in and just step on the stock, especially at the end of the session. This guy is going to get blown out of the water on this stock. We have zero resistance to $1 in this one. Very strong support at 56 cents, and I think this one goes pretty big this week for us. IMMU, we had a 20% breakout on Thursday. We got a little, market maker shake on the open on Friday, and we were able to pick up a nice scalp position under one again. Look for this one to continue higher this week, with our first target being $1.24. MPG, this isn't a real estate investment trust. These stocks are starting to take off big time over the last couple of days. This one had a nice breakout on volume on Friday. It's very strong support now at 86 cents with a target of $1.40 on this one. RSI is about to break 50. We're about to get a positive ADX cross, and this stock, if it's like any of our other chart plays over the last few days, could see a very big move for us early this week. ZIXI, this is a healthcare play. We got a nice breakout on Friday, broke our first target, and next target is $1.30 plus on this one. Nice volume on the breakout move. We should see solid support now above our entry, which is exactly what we want to see. All the indicators look very, very good. Nice uptrend in ADX or in stochastics. ADX has spiked nicely, and this one is looking really, really good for this week as well. Of course, I've got to mention our, medium-term hold play, BCON. This one's been coiling very nicely over the last week. We've got the Department of Energy loan news coming any day. When that news comes, we should easily see the stock make a spike run to 70 cents. In my opinion, this is a 1+ stock sometime this year. So we're in our core shares that we're going to ride nicely higher, and then any dips around the 20-day, around 46 cents is where I'd look to pick up a scalp position if we continue to wait for this news that I should come any day. Quick mention, CEGI Cell Genesis. This is a penny biotech stock, but it's also a play on DNDN, Dendron. Huge move on Dendron on Friday, 50%. They're going to announce their trial results April 27 in a couple of weeks on their prostate drug. These guys have a prostate drug as well. The insider's been buying massively over the last 2 weeks, 500,000 shares. Since February, he's picked up 1 million shares. So this one had a nice spike high earlier in the week to 52 cents. Would look to add this one anywhere around the 30 to 32 cent area. We've got very strong support, 25 cents, and target is a double. If DNDN runs like I think it will, this one will get yanked along with it. So that's it for our plays this week. We've got other plays. I just wanted to mention some of the newer ones. Market could continue higher. We've got a lot of news flow coming this week, earnings reports, so that will slap the market back and forth. Hopefully we'll get a couple of nice surprises to the upside like we did on RIM last week, and that will be what will power us nicely higher. We'll have the stupid money come in and take us up to our nosebleed target. That's it for the video. I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Goodbye.